Did you know that your eyes can expand up to 45% when you're looking at something pleasing? Hey, this is Forever Hornet here again, and in today's video I will show you how to set up the Neewer NW-800 microphone to sound like this instead of sounding like this. Now if your mic sound was like that, you want to stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to set it up to sound like this. So when you open the box, it looks like this. Right, I already opened the box itself before, so it's not going to look like this. It's going to be a little bit more organized, but that's how we should see it when it comes out of the box. So got a little foam cap, it's a ball type foam cap. Nothing really exciting about it. Put down the side. We got our pop filter. One more element, what I did not introduce yet, but you will kind of need it. It is the phantom power for the condenser microphone, because it is a condenser microphone. It will not work on its own if you just plug it into your PC. So what we got here, okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with the phantom power. So it's a 48 volt phantom power, and that will be required for the microphone to actually work. Now, what we'll need to do, we just plug this into the wall. Not the wall, obviously. And then we just plug that into the actual thing. Now, with the phantom power set aside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up the scissor arm. What I like to do is attach the scissor arm to something else other than my table. A simple reason for it: table moves. When you type on your keyboard, you move the mouse, etc. You bump into it, the table going to move. Now, you don't want the microphone to move around because of the sound. Real tight, because you don't want the microphone to move. So that's how it looks at the moment. Let me just do it quickly. I'll show you how it looks. So we've got everything in the corner there, and it attached to that. So that's been attached and it moves like this. So we managed to move it even sideways. And there you go. So that's done. What we'll need to do now, we need to attach the shock mount to this bit here. It's time to put our microphone in the shock mount. Squeeze that, slide the microphone in, and that should be pulled in nicely. Alright, you beautiful. So now I'm going to show you what you actually need to do with the mic if it sounded like it was in the beginning of my video. It is frustrating. I've got frustrated and I've worked long hours to fix this, and it's kind of an easy solution. So I hope this video will help you. If it does, please like the video. And again, links for the program, the software, is going to be down in the description below. So the software what we're going to be using is Voicemeeter Banana. You'll see it here. So this is how the program looks like. You will find tutorials on YouTube or Google, so you will find it. I'm not going to go into too much detail in it, but this is how the program looks like. And what I've changed on the mic itself is that was on 0, so this is how it sounds on no gain, and then it was there. So this is basically how the mic sounds normally when you just plug it into the PC and you test it out. Now, don't chuck it in the bin straight away. If you download this program, Voicemeeter Banana, again, make sure it's the banana version, not the free kind of tutorial version. It's both free, so just download it. And then you go, I put that up on 7, it's just my kind of personal preference. And then the IntelliPan, I've just stick that there, and that may make a little bit lower voice, a little bit more bass on your voice as well. And that's it, everything's fixed. So I hope that the video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing. For you, for me, for us, just subscribe, please.